Have you heard of plantar bromidrosis? Probably not, but you're most likely familiar with the unpleasant odor commonly referred to as foot odor. This is caused by bacteria that feed on the sweat and dead skin cells on our feet, producing acidic gases. The result is that unpleasant smell that we all know. In some cases, foot odor can be exacerbated by the presence of fungi, such as in the case of athlete's foot. This problem is characterized by the presence of white flaky skin between the toes that can itch and cause discomfort. Fortunately, there is a simple and inexpensive solution to get rid of foot odor. Simply mix magnesium milk and essential oils such as rosemary, lavender or tea tree oil in a bottle. Add about 30 drops of the chosen essential oil and mix well. Apply this mixture to clean and dry feet before going to bed. The essential oils help reduce the amount of bacteria, while magnesium milk keeps your feet dry. But taking care of your feet is not enough. Socks and shoes also need to be cleaned to prevent the proliferation of bacteria. To do this, simply put a little salt inside the shoe and leave it for a few hours. The salt helps kill bacteria by altering the pH of the environment. Alternatively, you can use baking soda instead of salt. Then, simply remove the excess and use the shoes normally. Another important tip is to use foot powder or cornstarch to keep your feet dry and prevent the proliferation of bacteria. It is also essential to change your socks daily and wash them frequently. If you suffer from excessive sweating on your feet, it is even more important to follow these tips to avoid foot odor. I hope these tips are helpful in getting rid of foot odor once and for all. If you liked the video, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips.